Matangi ritual is ninth Mahavidya in the series of Mahavidya ritual. Matangi is a form of Saraswati, and Saraswati, we all know, provides us wisdom. Matangi also provides us wisdom. Wisdom is more important than anything else. In one of the seminars, a person asked me, why cannot Navan mantra be spoken in reverse order, like Kling, Ring, Ang? Because Sanskrit language, either you say Rama Gachati or Gachati Rama, the meaning remains same. Mantras has no language. Since Sanskrit was the language available, they have been written in Sanskrit. After some time they were written in Hindi. They have been written in Assamese. They have been written in Bagla, in Bengali. So in several languages they have been written, because depending upon who was performing the ritual and whatever their language was, they have written in that language. And order of this mantra is that first wisdom should come to us, then prosperity due to that wisdom, and then we have some physical power, and if energy flows in this direction, then you become God. What happens when energy flows in the reverse direction? You get physical power first, you have gun, you have might, you have everything, then you go and snatch the prosperity of others. And with that prosperity, you try to go and buy knowledge, wisdom from somebody. The first sequence is making you God, and the reverse sequence is making you a devil. What is the difference between God and devil? Devil tries to force everything on everybody. God tries to debate, finds the solution. And another thing, a difference between God and devil is, let us assume that food is served everywhere. Food is served, you are sitting on table, and suddenly it happens that you are not able to fold your hands. Your hand becomes like this. Your elbow is not helping you to fold. A lot of food is there, but you cannot eat because hands are not folding. So then what happens? Oh, if I am not able to eat, I will not allow others also to eat. And then everybody tries to do chaos, and they start fighting, they start quarreling, and there is always chaos in the society. What happens? If you have got godly behavior, I cannot eat because my hands cannot fold, but I can make you eat. So you please eat, let me remain hungry, but you fill your stomach, I will help you. The other person comes and says, okay, you are helping this guy, I help you, you also eat. And by this method, by this principle, everybody is able to eat. And this cooperative movement is a godly behavior. The moment when you start thinking of fighting, quarreling, that is a devilish behavior. You think of cooperation, you think of living in harmony with surroundings, that is godly behavior. And that wisdom, to have godly behavior in the society, among ourselves, and to yourself too, is provided by Goddess Matangi. This ritual is very useful for the students. This ritual is useful for all those who want to advance on the path of spirituality to get the wisdom. Let's try to do it and understand how it is being done and how we can take the maximum advantage out of it. There is advantage and disadvantage when I speak. Please understand in worldly manners. When you are on path of spirituality, advantage and disadvantage does not exist. Duality does not exist. These rituals, when I say that provides you advantage, that means I talk in the perception of the world. Let us understand how we do it. For performing any ritual, we must always perform a pujan, perform a worshipping with the help of Sodasopchar pujan or Panchopchar pujan or Mansopchar pujan. Mansopchar pujan is done when we are not capable for any reason to do Sodasopchar and Panchopchar pujan. Then everything is present in the universe. We offer from the universe to universe mentally, and our pujan is completed. After your pujan is completed, the first step what you have to do is Vinayog. Vinayog is first step of any ritual. Second is Rishinyas, third is Karnyas, fourth is Hridayanyas, fifth is praying to Gurus, Param Gurus and Parameshti Gurus, Parapar Guru, praying to the wisdom giver Ganesha, and praying to the goddess, your Ishta, in your heart. And after that, Vyapak Nyasa is performed. After Vyapak, you can go into meditation by using meditation mantra. Remain in meditation for some time, then do your pranayam and chanting, again pranayam. Then we can do jap samarpana, offering of japa to the concerned goddess and god, and after jap samarpana we must perform prayer, and that is how your ritual is getting completed. Let's do it. Om Asya Sri Matangi Mantrasya Dakshinamurti Rishi Virat Chanda Sri Matangi Devta Ring Vijam Hum Sakti क्लीं कीलकम श्री मातंगी देवता प्रीत्यर्थे ममाभीष्ट सिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगा। Then we perform Rishinyas. Dakshina Murti Risay Nama Sirasi, Virat Chandase Nama Mukhe, Sri Matangi Devtaye Nama Hridi, Ring Vijay Nama Guhe, Hum Sakte Nama Padayo, Kling Kilkay Nama Nabho, Viniyogay Nama Sarvange. Then we perform Karnyas. Rang Hridayay Nama, Ring Sirse Swaha, Rung Shikhaya Vasat, Rang Kauchaya Hum, Rang Netratraya Vasat, Rah Kartal Karas Prasthabhyam. Rang Mustabhyam Nama, Ring Tajanibhyam Nama, Rung Madhyamabhyam Nama, Rang Anambikabhyam Nama, Rang Kanishkabhyam Nama, Rah Kartal Kar Prasthabhyam Nama. Rang Hridayay Nama, Ring Sirse Swaha, Rung Shikhaya Vasat, Rang Kauchaya Hum, Rang Netratraya Vasat, Rah Astraya Fat. Vame Gurubhyo Namah, Param Gurubhyo Namah, Paramesh Gurubhyo Namah, Dakshine Ganeshaya Namah, Madhye Ring Kling Sri Matangi Devbe Namo Namah. Then we perform Vyapak Nyas. And after performing of Vyapak Nyas, we must do Matrika Nyas. Matrika Nyas converts us in the family of goddess and god, and after becoming god only, you must pray to another god. Matrika Nyas is done like this. After performing Matrika Nyas comes the meditation, and meditation mudra is like this. You have to cover it with a cloth before performing it. I am showing it to you so that you know how to do it. Shyamam subhran subhalam Trinayan kamlam Ratna singhasan istham Bhaktabhis pradatrim Surnikar karase Vikanchang yugmam Nilambo kanti nischar Nikararandi davagni rupam Pasam khadgam chaturvirvaram Kamal karai khetkang kushans Matangi mavanti mavimbat faladam Modinim chintiyami. Sit in meditation for some time. Then do pranayama. And after that, perform your jap. After jap is completed, as per the instructions given by your guru, you can do pranayama once again. Here, whatever the indicative things I am giving, it's not that Matangi gets completed. Here there are many aspects involved when you are performing a ritual. And those aspects you must go remain with your guru, learn nicely before you perform a ritual properly. Pranayama is done like this. After performing pranayama, you can do the tarpan here, and after performing the tarpan, you can offer the chanting to Goddess. Guhyati guhigopti tvam grahasmat kritam japam siddhir bhavatu me devi tvat prasadan maheshwari. And then followed by the prayers. Saraswatyaya namo nityam bhadrakalyaya namo namah ved vedant vedang vidya asthane abhiyocha vidya asthane abhiyocha.